Okay, my nose is runny. Hope yours is not. It's not. You love keyboard shortcuts. So do I. So, have a look at this. I've set my freeze frame to the letter F, meaning I select a clip, I press F on the keyboard, and voila. That's how it should be. But no, not on a bad day for Resolve. It's not working. What do you do? So the trick is you just simply go up to the menu bar, flip around just a few menus, and then you're done. And I'm keeping the edit here so no trolls think that I'm inserting something magical into the computer and that there was, oh God, I cut the thing. He did something. No, I didn't. This is all I do. Swish, swoosh. Go back to the keyboard and you're done. You're good to go. You hit the key that you just set. If you don't remember, mine was F. Your memory is good. You're good to go. Watch. What about that? Explain it to me. Explain it, please. But no, yeah, there's your freeze frame. And if you want to watch the fastest way to freeze frame, please go ahead and click that or, copy the link, insert it, do it the wrong way, the long way. I don't care. Just watch the video. I love you. Goodbye. God bless.